Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need a compatible TV or Apple TV and both devices on the same Wi-Fi. Once ready, enable AirPlay on the TV so it accepts incoming streams. Now, open Control Center on your iPhone, tap screen mirroring or the AirPlay icon, and scan the device list. If you see your TV, tap it to connect. If a code appears on the TV, enter it on your iPhone. This begins the stream immediately and confirms the connection before you switch apps. You now choose how to send content, mirror your entire screen, or use an app's AirPlay button to stream just that video. Once you select the TV, you may be asked to enter the on-screen code. Do that to secure the link. Make sure orientation and aspect ratio match the TV. Some apps let you pick quality or subtitles. Also set audio output to the TV through the AirPlay controls and tweak volume on your iPhone so sound levels match the display. To end AirPlay, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or use the app's AirPlay button to disconnect. This cleanly releases the TV. If playback stutters or audio is missing, make sure both devices have strong Wi-Fi. Move closer to the router or try the 5 GHz band for less interference. If problems persist, restart both devices and update iOS and the TV firmware. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggling Wi-Fi off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.